It's your host Caitlin from MotorcycleDestinations.com, and never in a million years would I believe that we would have found a mecca of everything motorcycles in a small town in Pennsylvania.
While visiting a buddy in Pittsburgh, he just had to show us his new favorite place to find just about any and everything he needs and wants for his Harley Fat Boy. Cycle Warehouse is located about an hour north of Pittsburgh in downtown Butler, Pennsylvania, and its 85,000 square feet is filled to the brim with motorcycles, motorcycle parts, gear, apparel, and some vintage memorabilia, perfect for your moto cave.
Honestly, I was a bit overwhelmed by just how much there is to see here, but I did find a few motorcycles I would love to add to my collection one day.
They do cater more to Harley Davidsons, but you can find other bikes like Yamahas, Hondas, even some Triumphs, as well as new, used, and vintage parts and accessories for various brands. They're closed Wednesdays and Sundays, but they're open 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday and Friday, 10 to 6 p.m. Tuesday and Thursday, and 10 to 3 on Saturdays. You can also check out their website or call if you're looking for something specific.
But I really just enjoyed walking through and getting some ideas for some project bikes.
Be sure to check out MotorcycleDestinations.com while planning your future adventures.